Hello friends, welcome in maths class. In this video we are going to do differentiation topic. So in previous video we have started differentiation topic. Differentiation topic में exercise 1.1 previous video में हमने किया है. We will continue the same in this video from question number 3 up to question number 2 we did in the previous video. So let's start question number 3 in this video. So question number 3 is what? Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. See, we'll attempt second sub question. Y is equal to 1 plus 4x raised to power 5 into 3 plus x minus x square raised to power 8. Here we use here derivative of u into v, d dx of u into v. It is u derivative of v plus v derivative of u derivative of v plus v derivative of v. So we apply this rule here. This is u and this is v. So let's differentiate it. Derivative with respect to x, differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to u, that is 1 plus 4x raised to power 5 into derivative of this b, that is derivative of 3 plus x minus x square raised to power 8 plus 3 plus x minus plus 3 plus plus 3 plus x plus x minus x square raised to power 8 into derivative of 1 plus 4x raised to power 5. Now to find derivative, इसका derivative find करने के लिए आपको chain rule of derivative we are going to use here. This is what u raised to power n. So its derivative will be n u raised to power n minus 1 into du by dx, or fx raised to power n fx raised to power n minus 1 into f dash of x. ये fx है और raised to power n है. So let's find derivative. 1 plus 4x raised to power 5, इसका डेरिवेटिव होगा 8 into 3 plus x minus x square raised to power 7, and again derivative of this, derivative of 3 plus x minus x square plus 3 plus x minus x square raised to power 8. Derivative of this will be 5 into 1 plus 4x raised to power 4 into derivative of 1 plus 4x. Now derivative of 3 0, derivative of x1, derivative of x square is 2x. Here derivative of 1 0 and derivative of 4x is 4. So it is, now this 8 will write first, 1 plus 4x raised to power 5 into 3 plus x minus x square raised to power 7. This derivative is what? 1 minus 2x, 1 minus 2x, and plus this 5 right first, 3 plus x minus x square raised to power 8 and into 1 plus 4x raised to power 4. This derivative is what? 4. Derivative of this 1 plus 4x, that is what? 4 only. It is 4. Now this 4 and this 5 makes 20. This one 20 लिखेंगे. So it is, we are getting it is equal to 8. 1 minus 2x, let's write first. 1 minus 2x. 1 plus 4x raised to power 5. 3 plus x minus x square raised to power 7 plus 5 and this 4, it is 20. 21 plus 4x raised to power 4 and into 3 plus x minus x square raised to power 8. Yes. So this will be the answer. Next is third question. Y is equal to x upon root of 7 minus 3x. So here we use u upon v rule. Derivative of u upon v, that is v derivative of u minus u derivative of v upon v square. So quotient rule इसमें यूज करेंगे हम. So we'll use here quotient rule. Derivative differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to upon v square है. So what's for denominator? v square मतलब 7 minus 3x only, and root of 7 minus 3x into derivative of x is 1 minus x into derivative of v. Derivative of v is root of 7 minus 3x, इसका derivative. So it is root of 7 minus 3x minus x into derivative of root fx. Here derivative of root fx is 1 upon 2 root fx into f dash of x. So it is 1 upon 2 root fx मतलब 2 root of 7 minus 3x into derivative of this 7 minus 3x. Derivative of 7 is 0 and derivative of minus 3x is minus 3, and whole upon 7 minus 3x. Here this is minus 3 upon 2 root of 7 minus 3x. So we will simplify it. इसको हम simplify करेंगे. LCM will be root of 7 minus 3x. So dy by dx is equal to, ये root 7 minus 3x नीचे जाएगा. Okay, it is 7 minus 3x into root of 7 minus 3x. So it will be raised to power 3 by 2, and ये 2 also will write in the denominator. Now 2 into root 7 minus 3x and root 7 minus 3x. So that is 7 minus 3x minus of minus is it will be plus 3x. So we will simplify it. This is dy by dx is equal to, denominator will be 2 times 7 minus 3x raised to power 3 by 2. Here 14 minus 6x और ये 3x, so it will be minus 3x. It is minus 3x. So answer is 14 minus 7 14 minus 3x upon 2 times 7 minus 3x raised to power 3 by 2. So this is the answer here. Next question we will do, that is fifth question. So in fifth question we use product rule. इसमें product rule u into v, we use derivative of u into v is u derivative of v plus v derivative of v. So product rule we use here. Next, fifth question. Here question number 5 is 1 plus sin square x whole square into 1 plus cos square x and raised to power 3. So this is what u and this is what v. So derivative of u into v, u derivative of v plus v derivative of u. So we use here chain rule of derivative. So dy by dx, differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to u, that is 1 plus sin square x, 1 plus sin square x whole square into derivative of 1 plus cos square x q plus 1 plus cos square x q into derivative of 1 plus sin square x, 1 plus sin square x whole square. Now we use here chain rule of derivative. This is what fx raised to power n, here also it is fx raised to power n. So we use chain rule of derivative here. इसमें dy by dx will be equal to 1 plus sin square x whole square. This is what 3 into 1 plus cos square x, 1 plus cos square x square, that is n fx raised to power n minus 1 into f dash of x, मतलब d dx of 1 plus cos square x. Yes, ये फर्स्ट पार्ट हो गया. और नेक्स्ट इज प्लस 1 प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर एक्स होल क्यूब, इसका डेरिवेटिव होगा 2 टाइम्स ऑफ 1 प्लस साइन स्क्वायर एक्स रेज़्ड टू पावर 1 और इसका वापस डेरिवेटिव डी एक्स ऑफ 1 प्लस साइन स्क्वायर एक्स, 1 प्लस साइन स्क्वायर एक्स. Yes. Now derivative of this is 0, derivative of 1 is 0 and derivative of cos square is 2 cos x and derivative of cos x is minus sin x. इसका डेरिवेटिव 0 और इसका डेरिवेटिव 2 sin x and derivative of sin x is cos x. So it is dy by dx is equal to, let's write this 3 first. 3 1 plus sin square x whole square into 1 plus cos square x whole square, और इसका डेरिवेटिव आएगा माइनस, क्योंकि डेरिवेटिव ऑफ cos इज माइनस एंड डेरिवेटिव ऑफ cos स्क्वायर इज व्हाट, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ cos स्क्वायर विल बी 2 cos x into डेरिवेटिव ऑफ cos x which is minus sin x. So the same thing we write here, minus of 2 cos x sin x plus here 2 1 plus cos square x, 1 plus cos square x cube, 1 plus sin square x and derivative of this is 0, derivative of sin square x, what will be derivative of sin square x? So derivative of sin square x is 2 sin x into cos x, 2 sin x into cos x, which is 2 sin x cos x. So it will be, now 2 sin x cos x we can write as sin 2x, we can write it as sin 2x, and this 2 sin x cos x, this 2 sin x cos x, let's write sin 2x, 3 1 plus sin square x whole square into 1 plus cos square x whole square, और ये रहेगा माइनस sin 2x, again it will plus 2 times of 1 plus cos square x cube, 1 plus sin square x and this sin 2x, here now this sin 2x we can take common, sin 2x we can take common, also 1 plus sin square x, here 1 plus sin square x, 1 plus cos square x, 1 plus cos square x, so what we can take common, इसमें से जो कॉमन ले सकते हैं, so that will be, सबसे पहले हम sin 2x कॉमन लेंगे और 1 plus cos square x भी कॉमन ले सकते हैं, 1 plus cos square x होल स्क्वायर कॉमन ले सकते हैं, यहाँ पे क्यूब है, यहाँ पे स्क्वायर है, 1 plus sin square x वी कैन टेक कॉमन, क्योंकि यहाँ पे 1 plus sin square है, 1 plus sin square है, होल स्क्वायर है, व्हाट इज लेफ्ट आफ्टर टेकिंग दिस कॉमन, यहाँ पे माइनस साइन है, यहाँ पे 3 है, so it is -3, 1 plus sin square x, 1 plus cos square x होल स्क्वायर कॉमन लिया है, तो ये कॉमन लिया पूरा, और यहाँ पे एक रहेगा 1 plus sin square x, ये रहेगा, और इस टर्म में से क्या बाकी है, sin 2x दे हैव ऑलरेडी टेकन कॉमन, ये पे 2 रहेगा और 1 plus sin square x और 1 plus cos square एंड होल स्क्वायर कॉमन लिया, तो ये कॉमन हो गया, यहाँ से एक बचता है, so it is plus 2 times 1 plus cos square x, yes, this will be dy by dx is equal to sin 2x into 1 plus cos square x whole square, 1 plus sin square x, यहाँ पे 2 और यहाँ पे -3, so that is -1, -3 sin square x plus 2 cos square x, -3 sin square x plus 2 cos square x plus 2 cos square x, so this will be what we did here, this cos square x will write 1 minus sin square x, so we are trying to get the answer which is provided in book, so यहाँ पे 2 और ये -1 है, that will be what 1, and finally we'll be getting the answer as, इसमें dy by dx is equal to what, sin 2x 1 plus sin square x 1 plus cos square x whole square into 2 and this -1, that is 1, -3 and this -2, ये -3 sin square x और ये -2 sin square x, this gives us -5 sin square x, yes, exactly the same answer is provided in the book, so we are trying to get the same answer, so yes, this we have done, is the solution of the question. Next question is, we'll do the next question. Question number 6. We'll do question number 6. Question number 6 is root of cos x plus root of cos of root x, derivative of u plus v, that is derivative of u plus derivative of v. So y is equal to this derivative of u plus v, derivative of u plus v. It is derivative of u plus derivative of v. Addition. So differentiating with respect to x, what we get, dy by dx is equal to derivative of u, that is derivative of root of cos x, इसका derivative plus derivative of this v, मतलब ये derivative of root of cos of root x. Chain rule of derivative we use here. Derivative of root fx is 1 upon 2 root fx into f dash of x. ये आएगा 1 upon 2 root of cos x into derivative of cos x is minus sin x plus again this derivative will be 1 upon 2 root of cos of root x into derivative of cos of root x, cos of root x. Then derivative of cos of root x will be minus sin root x into again derivative of root x. So this will be minus sin x upon 2 root cos x and plus 1 by 2 root of cos root x, cos of root x. फिर इसका डेरिवेटिव आएगा माइनस साइन ऑफ रूट एक्स और इंटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ रूट एक्स, इंटू और डेरिवेटिव ऑफ रूट एक्स. So इंटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ रूट एक्स मतलब 1 upon 2 root x. So we'll be getting here dy by dx is equal to minus sin x upon 2 root of cos x and this minus sin root x upon 4 root x, the 2 root x and this 2 and into root of cos of root x. It's done. This will be the answer. Dy by dx is equal to minus sin of sin x upon 2 root of cos x minus sin root x upon 4 root x root of cos of root x. Now we do question number 7. Y is equal to log of sec of 3x plus tan of 3x. So derivative of log fx, that is 1 upon fx into f dash of x. Derivative of log fx, this is what fx, log fx, 1 upon fx into f dash of x. Differentiating with respect to x, what we get, dy by dx is equal to 1 upon fx, that is sec 3x plus tan 3x into derivative of same, that is sec 3x plus tan 3x. Now this dy by dx derivative is equal to derivative of sec 3x, that is sec 3x into tan 3x into derivative of 3x again, that is 3, plus derivative of tan 3x, it is sec square 3x, it is what, sec square 3x, sec square 3x into derivative of 3x, that is what, 3, and the denominator is what, sec 3x plus tan 3x, sec 3x plus tan 3x, this is your denominator. Now 3 and sec 3x take कॉमन, इसमें से हम 3 और sec 3x कॉमन लेंगे. What is left over there, यहाँ पे रहेगा tan 3x और प्लस sec 3x कॉमन होने पर और 3 कॉमन होने पर sec 3x is left only, sec 3x is left only here, and our denominator is this sec 3x plus tan 3x plus tan 3x. This. Now what is getting cancelled over here? This sec 3x plus tan 3x is getting cancelled, so that we will be getting answer dy by dx is equal to what? Dy by dx is equal to only 3 sec 3x. Only 3 sec 3x is the answer. Next question is question number here. Question number 8th question. We will do this 8th question. 1 plus sin x degree, 1 plus sin x degree upon 1 minus sin x degree, y is equal to, is the question number 8. Yes. So here we use quotient rule of derivative u upon v, derivative of u upon v is equal to v derivative of u into u derivative of v, differentiating with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to upon v square आता है, तो upon v square मतलब 1 minus sin of x degree whole square, 1 minus sin x degree into derivative of v derivative of u, that is 1 plus sin x degree minus v derivative of u and u derivative of 1 plus sin x degree into derivative of 1 minus sin x degree. This is dy by dx is equal to derivative of 1 0, and this is what composite function here, sin x degree, क्योंकि x degree we can write as pi x upon 180 रेडियन, ये रेडियन में चाहिए तो इसलिए डिग्री को हम रेडियन में लिखेंगे. इट इज अ कंपोजिट फंक्शन, सो इट इज 1 minus sin x degree, 1 minus sin x degree into derivative of 1 0, derivative of sin is cos x degree into derivative of x degree. So what is derivative of x degree over here? It is only pi upon 180. So this derivative will be cos of x degree into pi upon 180, then minus 1 plus sin x degree into derivative of 1 0, derivative of this what, minus cos x degree, derivative of sin f x, cos f x into f dash of x, into again pi upon derivative of x degree, so again pi upon 180, so it is again pi upon 180. Here denominator is what, 1 minus sin x degree whole square. Now we can take cos x degree and pi upon 180 is pi upon 180. This we can take common. So our dy by dx is equal to taking pi upon 180 common and cos of x degree common. So what is left over here? 1 minus sin x degree, ये बात इधर 1 minus sin x degree and this minus और ये माइनस प्लस होगा 1 plus sin x degree, 1 plus sin x degree, and the denominator as it is, and the denominator as it is 1 minus sin x degree whole square is the denominator. Now clearly this sin x degree and sin x degree is getting cancelled, it is 2. So it is dy by dx is equal to 2 times ये 1 और ये 1, 2 times cos x degree pi upon 180 and whole divided by 1 minus sin x degree whole square. 1 minus sin x degree whole square. So that this 2 is getting cancelled here और ये आएगा 90. It is pi upon 90 cos of x degree upon 1 minus sin x degree whole square. 1 minus sin x degree whole square. So the answer 1 minus sin x degree and pi upon 90 cos of x degree, 1 minus sin x degree whole square. So next question is here question number 9, that is y is equal to cot of log x by 2 minus log of cot x by 2. So differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to derivative of u minus v, derivative of u minus v, derivative of u minus derivative of v. So derivative of cot is what? Minus cosec square. इसका derivative होगा minus cosec square of log x upon 2 into derivative of log x upon 2 minus again derivative of log fx is 1 upon fx, मतलब 1 upon cot x upon 2 into derivative of cot x upon 2. Here dy by dx is equal to derivative of log x and upon 2, it is 1 by 2 of derivative of log x, it is 1 upon x. So this is minus cosec square of log x upon 2. इसका derivative होगा 1 upon 2 and derivative of log x, that is x, minus 2 by cot x. Derivative of this 1 upon 2 as it is constant. Derivative of cot is minus cosec square x, minus cosec square x. So this 2 is getting cancelled here, ये 2 और ये 2 cancel होगा. Then this is what? Minus cosec square log of x by 2 and upon what? 2x. This minus and minus, it will be plus. It is cot cosec square x and upon cot x, so which we can write as is minus of cosec square x, cosec square of log of x upon 2, and this 2x plus this is what 1 upon cot matlab tan will write what sin x upon cos x, ये होगा 1 upon cot x into cosec square is 1 upon sin square x, so that this 1 sin x is getting cancelled, इसमें से एक sin x cancel होगा, and so we try to put the answer in required form और इसी फॉर्म में है tan x into, so the answer is in this form only, minus dy by dx is equal to minus cosec square, इसको आगे सिंप्लीफाई करने की जरूरत नहीं, cosec square of log x upon 2 and denominator is 2x, 1 upon cot will be only tan x, so we will write it tan x into cosec square x, done. So the answer in this form in textbook, so we try to get the answer in the same form which is given in the answer. So dy by dx is this. So in this video we complete question number 3k up to 9 questions we did, which are based on sum, difference and multiplication and quotient rule, and then chain rule of derivative already. So we start or we continue the same, that is same question number 3 from 10th question in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.